6. Equation of line are 5x minus 3 equal 15y plus 7 equal 3 minus 10z. Right direction cosines of given equation. When we divide 5x minus 3 by 5, it becomes x minus 3 upon 5. And similarly for the denominator, it becomes 1 by 5. 15y plus 7 when divided by 15 can become y plus 7 upon 15 upon 1 upon 15. Similarly, 3 minus 10 z when divided by minus 10 can become z minus 3 upon 10 equals minus 1 upon 10. Now let us consider 1 by 5 b1, 1 by 15 b2 and minus 1 upon 10 b3. Unit vector b can be written as b1 I cap plus b2 j plus b3 k upon absolute values of b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. On putting the values of b1, b2 and b3, we get I cap upon 5 plus j cap upon 15 minus k cap upon 10 is equals to 1 upon 25 plus 1 upon 225 plus, oh, here it is minus 1 upon 100. In solving these equations, we get 6 upon 7 I cap plus 2 upon 7 j cap minus 3 upon 7 k cap. So these are the direction cosines: 6 by 7, 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, or minus 6 by 7, minus 2 by 7, or 3 by 7. Thank you.